Hey guys, Retro Badger here. This is the USS Excelsior A, and it's a Velox class starship. This is one of DJ Curtis's designs. The backstory is that this was the first starship that was developed after the Dominion War. They were looking for a replacement for the Galaxy class, and this fits the bill. It isn't as large as a Galaxy class, but it's more capable. The ship is armed with quantum torpedoes from the front and rear, as well as photon torpedoes. I thought a good first test would be to put it up against the Enterprise E. Visually speaking, I can see a lot of different ships in there. Galaxy class from the saucer, and the bottom of the ship has a striking resemblance to the Sovereign class. Let's see what happens. So obviously we've got to be careful with the opening volley from the Enterprise E. Oh, there it is. Photons. It's an interesting ship. I mean, it's wider than I would have expected, but I like that because it's kind of, well, the front of it's thinking about the Galaxy class, and then the middle bit's kind of the Sovereign class, and the back bit a bit like the Vivace class, perhaps? The Voyager A model that we have in Bridge Commander? There goes aft quantums. How cool is that? That makes a lot of sense to have aft quantum torpedoes, certainly. I could imagine this ship saucer separating as well. In fact, yeah, if you look at that there, that would be ideal for it.
Main power is at 50%.
Oh, looks like I've overtaxed the power. Yeah, that is a big saucer section, but as an exploration vessel, that makes sense. Here's the thing, on the Galaxy class, obviously we know that they had families on there, but on the Sovereign class, did they? I don't believe they did. But this ship looks like they could. Yeah, so it's kind of nice to see a purely exploration vessel for once, although it is armed with quantum torpedoes from the front and rear, and it did just take down a Sovereign class. So it can certainly look after itself, can't it? Full power to the shields.
Shields are at 75%. Sir, our shield is draining.
Come on, torpedoes, where are you? Oh no, not your torpedoes. Here we go. This isn't looking good, is it? I think we're gonna have to try and go for the sensor array or something. Crikey! That aft quantum launcher is a real game changer. It is. Oh, come on. Our shields are pretty much non-existent at this point. Oh, flippin' heck! I keep forgetting! Aft quantums! I can't get used to that! If only we had a bit more speed. Ah, my warp nacelles have gone! There is absolutely no contest there. I tried that battle from the Enterprise E's perspective quite a few times, and I got the same result each time. What do you guys think of this ship as a purely exploration ship? I think it's pretty awesome. I love that Galaxy class look at the front. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.